To set up an Authorize net-hosted payment form, start by creating an account with Authorize Net and obtaining an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are necessary for configuring the payment form. Next, navigate to the Authorize Net dashboard and select the Hosted Payment Form option. Choose the type of payment form you want to use, such as a simple payment form or an advanced payment form with additional features. Configure the payment form settings, including the payment methods you accept, such as credit cards or e-checks, and the currency you want to use. You can also customize the appearance of the payment form by adding your company logo and choosing a color scheme. After configuring the payment form settings, generate the HTML code for the payment form. This code will be used to integrate the payment form into your website. You can choose to use a hosted payment form, which redirects customers to a secure Authorize Net page to enter their payment information, or a tokenized payment form, which allows customers to enter their payment information directly on your website. To integrate the payment form into your website, copy and paste the HTML code into your website's checkout page. Make sure to test the payment form to ensure it is working correctly and that payments are being processed successfully. Best practices for setting up an Authorize net-hosted payment form include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to protect customer payment information, and complying with payment card industry data security standards to ensure the security of your payment processing system. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and reliable payment form that meets your business needs and provides a positive customer experience.